Good afternoon. This is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. We are out here today off of Lake Louisville, which you can see right out there in the distance. We have a gigantic wraparound porch. Now, we've been working on this job, since March of this year. And the reason that we've been working on it since March is because we've installed some universal shades in these recessed track mounts. So that way you can't see any of that shade from here. We have a Somfy remote control that will actually allow me to drop all of these shades. We've got about 9 of them if we walk over this direction. We've got our little eating area right here. We've got our little grill area right here. We use the Suntex 90 material from Phifer. That preserves a lot of our view out to the lake. Still gives us some solar control. And most importantly for here, it keeps out the bugs. So we can drop these and make this a nice dark living area. Now you say, well, what if I only want to be out in this section, or what if I only want to be in the other section? And we've actually also installed a shade right here in the middle. So now I can actually use these as 2 separate sections, a cooking area and a living area. We can use them both together, or we can use them separately. So if you're just out grilling right here and you just want to have the shade when you're grilling, awesome. If you're just chilling out in the other part of the porch and you just want those shades down, that's awesome too. And I'm going to stop that before we actually hit that shovel. So another fantastic install from Blind Depot. Again, the product is the universal motion screen. We're going to go ahead and raise them all back up again. If you'd like us to do this for your porch, this does take a little bit of pre-planning if you want to recess, and most of the stuff we do is not going to be recessed. So if you're in the construction phase, we can do this part for you. But if you do want us to help you out with this, give us a call. You can reach us at 972-644-9411. You can also hit us on our website at blinddepotdfw.com. And again, if you don't know what the DFW stands for, and you're probably not in our service area. So thank you for watching. Hope we can do something like this for you as well.